Hey guys, I want to thank you, my subscribers. If you've used my code for Threadbeast, I really appreciate it. I've gotten so many referral boxes. It's kind of weird because they randomly send them, even though I know I've had over 20 something referrals, but I don't think I've done 20 unboxings for these yet. So it's kind of weird. I just get them, like, they randomly send them. They don't let me know. It's just like a notice, hey, it's in the mail. But they don't keep a count. Like, I don't see a count anywhere on my account of how many how many referrals I've had. It's kind of frustrating when it comes to that. So it's like there's no way for you to really honestly know if they're honoring your actual referrals or not. Because I'll get emails saying that I got a referral, but then I'll get another notice later that says that it wasn't accepted. But then there's others that I'll get notice and then it goes through, but then I never get shipped right away. It doesn't, like, it might take months, it might take a long time, and then I may or may not get sent. It's just really weird, their process. So you have to follow the instructions in my video description and use my referral code if you want to sign up. And I think it's like $50 off your first subscription. So, and then I get like a $50 box, so it's kind of like you're $50 off, and then I get $50 worth of free stuff in my box, which is kind of nice. So again, I really appreciate it. Oh, I like this shirt already. Okay, so it gives me the whole referral package, how it works. I guess it takes 45-day process is what they say after the person uses my promo code. And it says there's no limit to how many free referrals I can get. But again, I've had over 20 something referrals that I have confirmed through my email and that, yet I have not received 20 something subscriptions yet. Or I have, but I haven't received all of them. So the first thing that comes with, they've really packed this one. So this is, oh my God, they really put a lot in this box. So I'm already liking this. They get your size. Oh, and it's long sleeve. So basically long sleeve Tommy Hilfiger shirt. So when you sign up, you give them your style options and you select a bunch of different choices between colorful and not colorful, and you give them your measurement, like some of your measurements, like shirt size, shoe size, pant size, stuff like that. Because you may sometimes get shoes. Depends, because I've done the baller unboxing where it has, wow, this is colorful. I'm not sure if I'm a fan of this, but it's definitely colorful. Don't know if that's really me wearing a Fila shirt. So I think the value of their boxes, I think it's worth it for the most part. Depends on the box and it depends on your style. Oh, I love shorts. Nice comfy. These look kind of big though. I think these are going to be a little big on me. But you got shorts. What brand is this? Pink Delphine? Pink Delphine? If I'm saying that right? Pink and Dolphin. Oh, I'm sorry. Pink and Dolphin. Never heard of that brand. If anyone's heard of it, let me know in the video description. The next thing is going to be a Rising Sun Co. Los Angeles black jeans. I've actually never worn black jeans in years because they always end up, when you wash them, they fade. They always fade. But those are nice, and they're definitely slim fit. But yeah, 34-30. I'm actually like a 32 to 34 depending on the pant size. So I'd rather have it a little bit baggy. That way I can tighten the belt on it. But those are nice. Nice slim fit jeans. I'll take those. And then the last thing it looks like it comes with. Wow, okay, they really threw a lot in this box. So I have the Cutlass More Future. Never heard of the brand either. And Asphalt? What is that? You guys tell me. But that's the 2 hats that it comes with. Wow, okay. So it comes with a lot of stuff. But that's everything in this, I don't want to say month because it's a referral box. But this is similar to what you could get if you got, I think, their premium box. It's whatever the $50 box is. This is basically it as a referral box though. So that's everything. Thank you for watching. Please to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever other YouTube videos I have. I do a lot of different unboxings, And I also have done a lot of Threadbeast referrals as well as their baller boxes and their premium boxes. I've done a bunch of their different stuff, so check that out as well. Now, thank you for watching, and take care. Bye.